Hi everyone and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to create a fully procedural icosphere with one vertex and a few modifiers. Let's start by first adding a plane to the scene, switching to edit mode and merging all of the vertices at the center. Then we go to the modifier panel and add a screw modifier to the object. Set the axis to X, the angle to 0 and the steps to 2. Deactivate smooth shading and set the screw value to 0.894. Now we've created a basic edge. Next we add a second screw modifier to the object, set the steps to 5, deactivate smooth shading and activate merge vertices. With this done, we have created a pentagon. By enabling the wireframe overlay, you can see that there is an extra inner edge loop, which we don't want. To remove it, we need to set up 4 more modifiers to get a clean triangle fan. First we create an n-gon by adding a Decimate modifier with the mode set to planar. This will remove all inner edges and vertices. Next we add a Subdivision modifier with the mode set to simple and the render and viewport step set to 1. This will create a vertex at the center of the object, but the generated edges aren't properly connected with the vertices of the boundary. For this we need a Triangulate modifier with the quad method set to fixed. Now we only need to remove the extra edges created by the Subdivision modifier. To do that, we add a Decimate modifier to the object, set the mode to unsubdivide and the iterations value to 1. With this done, we now have a clean triangle fan. Next we add some thickness to this flat surface with the Solidify modifier. Set the offset to 0 and the thickness to 0.894. After that we add a simple Deform modifier, set the axis to Z and the angle to 36 degrees. This will offset the upper and lower faces from each other. If we now add another Triangulate modifier to the object, we have created all necessary triangles for the icosphere. Now we only need a cast modifier with the factor and the radius set to 1. The icosphere with the lowest subdivision level is now created. If you want higher subdivision levels, you need to add the following 3 modifiers for each level. First, a Subdivision modifier with the render and viewport step set to 1. Next, a Decimate modifier with the mode set to unsubdivide and the iterations value to 1. And finally, a cast modifier with the exact same settings as before, factor to 1 and radius also to 1. That's it for the icosphere. Tell me what you think in the comments down below and stay tuned for more. Bye!